this video, I'm gonna teach you guys on how to get your call logs. First, we need to download this application and look for SMS Call Log Manager. Now click on this. And of course, let's click install. Now let's open the application. And on these following pop-ups, just click agree and allow these permissions. Now click on call logs and click back up. Now click view backup and click the JSON file. Now as you can see, these are the call logs, and of course I'm censoring it for my privacy. Now you can see the call log informations. And that's how easy it is. Thank you very much for watching our video, and of course subscribe for more content.
Ano ang gagawin mo kung wala kang pera?
Huwag mangamba, meron akong one hand.
Ano ang gagawin mo kung wala kang pera?
Walang pera?